Number 4 wants us to find the BSA of a person who is 24 inches tall and weighs 21 pounds. So we're still using the 31-31 formula. So I'm going to take 21 times 24 divided by 31-31. And then I'm going to press equals. Then I'm going to press the square root. And we get 0.40 square meters. And again, if you use the other type of calculator, then you would have to type it in similar to this. So as long as you can get the 0.40 square meters, then you should be good. And again, don't round until the end. And at the end, make sure that you round to the nearest hundredth.